Hi, welcome back, students. Today we're going to look at how to use your library catalog collections feature to find additional resources for your work. All right, so as always, we go to Launchpad and then we select library resources. You've been using other resources. Today, I would like you to find Catalog Destiny. So you're looking for a black box with a white tree on it. All right, now I have a little bit different view. When you bring it up, you're going to see something that looks like this. It's going to say, might say Destiny Discoverer. Okay, see the title up here by the 3 bars? Then it says, welcome Lynette to Roosevelt High School. That's my name because I'm logged in. All right, here we see some of the recently added books. Over here in the search bar, you can actually go ahead and type in the name of your author, your book, or whatever it is you're looking for, and get a list, get a variety of resources in print or digital formats. What we're going to look at today is coming over here to where these 3 lines are, next to Destiny Discover, clicking that and looking at what's available to us. So we'd like you to come down to the third title, the third term here, Collections. Click Collections. You're going to see a lot of different things on my page than you're going to see on yours. What you're going to want to go to is the one that says probably public. I think yours is going to say public. And I want you to find Miss Christian's name or your teacher's name. So if you go to like Roosevelt, now I know it says private here, but it's probably going to say local or something. If you come here, I want you to go to Christian's AP Books and Author Research Topic. Click that, and you're going to see some other resources that you could use for your search. I'm not through compiling this yet. I just wanted to put this link, this helper video out there so that you know how to get to the site. I'll be adding to this throughout the day, but I wanted you to know how to get here. Once you come over here, these apps happen to be web pages that can take you straight to other resources on your topic. By the time you get in here later, you should see some ebooks, some call numbers for actual physical books that we have here. And I'm working from the list of authors that you guys gave me yesterday. All right, so feel free to come in here, use things, use resources from this third source, which is your library card catalog, your library catalog. Thanks. Bye-bye.